I'm Jim from Major Machines, here to demonstrate motorcycle wheel balancing on the CB-3550 wheel balancer. Here we have our motorcycle adapter with all the various cones and sleeves that actually fit right inside the bearings of the wheel. So that one fits there. Get another cone to fill up the space so you get to the threads. Now, there's a motorcycle mode in the machine, which will use two weights, but I find most people just want to do a static balance and put one weight on the wheel. So this button here is to enter your first measurement, which is the ruler. The ruler itself is in centimeters and the display is in millimeters, so you need to add a 0 to the ruler. 190, 195, it's almost 200, we'll say 199 in this case. You shift to the next button is the rim width, which you measure with the caliper. I already know this rim happens to be 6.5 inch. Use the up or down to adjust. And then finally, the last is your rim size, 17 inch in this case. Once you have all your measurements entered, simply close that. So here it shows the 1/2 inch. Once the bar is solid, 12 o'clock, the weights go to the top of the book. So you can put the weights anywhere in the wheel, so if you want to try and hide it the best you can. And there's your balanced wheel. Thank you.